Good morning, Kasturians, and welcome to video 1 of geography, that is manufacturing industries. In this video, we will see the meaning of manufacturing, what is the meaning of industry, and different types of industries. So let's start. Manufacturing is the processing of raw materials into finished or semi-finished goods which can be used for other purposes. It includes converting cotton into cloth, conversion of sugar cane into sugar, conversion of wood pulp to make paper, and converting mineral oil or processing mineral oil into petrochemicals is termed as manufacturing. And this manufacturing is done with the help of machines and available suitable technology. With the spread of the Industrial Revolution in Britain, the mechanized era or this mechanized world has resulted in the growth and development of modern factories, and a new relationship between human beings, machines, and natural resources has been already established. Manufacturing is not a single activity. In fact, it is also associated with other occupations, as manufacturing is dependent on raw material for food for workers and the markets for selling or consuming the finished goods which will be produced in these manufacturing industries. Also, the removal of poverty and eradication of unemployment are the additional benefits which are there just because of manufacturing. The position of the developed nations as a world power or superpower, it depends up to a large extent on the developmental level of the manufacturing sector. Now we will see industry. Any economic activity which is directly or indirectly associated with the production of goods as well as services nowadays is called an industry. It may include the extraction of minerals, the production of goods, or provision of providing services. So in this today's dynamic and mechanized world, we have a variety of industries like textile industry, mining industry, and in fact tourism industry, which is purely a service providing industry. Industry is basically a process, it's a procedure. So industries, they require a lot of factors like raw material, power sources, water supply, skilled laborers, capital investment, and market. All these factors make us to classify the industries on the following basis. The very first being the type of raw material used. On the basis of the type of raw material used, we can have agro based industries, mineral based industries, pastoral based industries, marine based industries, forest based industries. Let's have a look at all these one by one. Agro based industries are the industries which are primarily dependent upon agriculture for getting supply of their raw materials which they require, like plants and animals, the cotton textile mills, jute textiles, silk textiles, vegetable oil, sugar, and food processing units are an example of agro based industries. Then we have the mineral based industries. These are the industries which obtain raw materials from rocks and underground mineral deposits. Iron and steel, aluminium and cement are some examples of mineral based industries. Then we have pastoral based industries. As the name itself is suggesting, these are the industries which obtain their raw materials from animals and animal products. Animals like sheep, goat and cows, and the animal products they use include the hides, the skins, bones, horns, flesh and milk of these animals. And woolen textiles, leather goods and dairy product industries, they are examples of pastoral based industries. Then we have the marine based industries. In this, the industries they obtain their raw material from marine life found in seas and oceans. Processing of seafood and manufacturing of fish oil are the industries which are associated to be marine based industries. Then we have the forest based industries. In these, the industries they obtain their raw materials from plants like trees, bushes and grasses, paper, cardboard making, rayon, lac, resin and furniture. These are some examples of forest based industries. That's all we have in this video. In the next videos we will discuss this chapter furthermore. Till then, thank you, goodbye and have a nice day.